Sleep is one of the most powerful tools your body has for healing, yet it's often overlooked. When you're injured, recovering, or under physical stress, quality sleep becomes your body's natural recovery accelerator. It's during deep rest that your body repairs tissue, balances hormones, and rebuilds strength. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a key driver of tissue repair and regeneration. This hormone helps rebuild muscles, tendons, and ligaments that may have been strained or damaged. Sleep also enhances protein synthesis, the process that repairs muscle fibers after activity or injury. Another vital function of sleep is inflammation control. Poor sleep can raise stress hormones like cortisol, which increase inflammation and delay healing. Deep, consistent sleep helps regulate your immune system, reducing swelling and pain while speeding recovery. The brain also benefits. During sleep, it clears out waste through a process called the glymphatic system. This helps reduce mental fatigue and supports focus, mood, and pain tolerance, all crucial for maintaining a positive mindset during recovery. To optimize sleep for healing, focus on quality and consistency. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest each night. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily to regulate your circadian rhythm, which governs your body's recovery processes. Your sleep environment plays a big role too. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid screens and bright lights an hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. Instead, try reading, stretching, or meditating to unwind. Nutrition and hydration also impact sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol too close to bedtime. Include magnesium-rich foods like bananas, almonds, or leafy greens, as magnesium supports relaxation and muscle recovery. If pain or discomfort makes sleeping difficult, try supportive pillows or sleeping positions that reduce strain. For example, placing a pillow between your knees can ease lower back or hip pain. Gentle breathing or mindfulness exercises before bed can also calm your nervous system and promote deeper rest. Naps can be beneficial too. Short 20 to 30-minute naps during the day can help your body recharge without affecting nighttime sleep. Finally, remember that rest is not laziness, it's strategy. Your body heals while you sleep, not while you push through exhaustion. Prioritizing recovery sleep is one of the smartest, most effective things you can do for your health. When you give your body the sleep it needs, you're giving your recovery the time and energy it deserves, because every great comeback starts with great rest.